up, up, and away, right?
He-Man doesn't fly.
Look, why are you being such a dick about this? I'm just trying to join in.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about, okay?
That's
you
not
sound
fair.
like
I think I'm doing pretty
No,
well.
you don't know the characters, Brian. You don't know the characters. See, if you could hear yourself right now, you would not stop throwing up. You can't just put He-Man in Transformers world. All right? He wouldn't be able to get to Cybertron because he lives in Eternia, and Eternia is in an entirely different dimension.
He can just take his rocket ship.
Get out of here.
No! Stop! I'm saying no! Ah! What kind of pie is this?
Peter, it's making me watch.
Peter, I don't understand why we have to drive all the way to Ohio to ride a stupid roller coaster.
Yeah, besides, they're still not going to let you on. You haven't actually lost any weight.
Oh, I think my lithe figure would suggest otherwise.
A girdle is not a substitute for weight loss, Peter.
Hey, I'm riding that roller coaster, and that's all there is to it. Now let's get out of here. This thing's squishing my organs around.